Imagine a website as a ground building. The backend is the strong foundation and intricate framework that supports the entire structure. In this video, I'm going to explain all the core technologies you need to learn to become a backend developer. Let's start by defining what backend development is. Backend development is the backbone of any website or application. It involves working on the server side of things, handling data storage, security, and the overall functionality of a website or an application. There are two big parts in the backend development. We have the server side and the database management system. Backend developers write the code that runs on web servers, which handles the logic of an application or a website. This includes processing user requests, interacting with databases, and controlling the flow of data between the server and the front end of the website or application. They use languages like Python, Java, Ruby, and PHP to write the code that powers the backend of a website. Backend developers are often responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining databases. They manage and manipulate the data that's stored in these databases, ensuring its integrity and security. They work with databases like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL to store and retrieve data. They often create application programming interfaces or APIs, which allow different software applications to communicate with each other. These APIs are crucial for the integration of different systems and for enabling front-end applications to access server-side functions and data. Ensuring the security of the web application is a key part of a backend developer's job. This includes protecting against various types of cyber threats, securing data, and implementing authentication and authorization schemes. Understanding the basics of the internet is crucial for backend developers. This includes knowledge of how data is transmitted over the internet, how DNS work, and the roles of protocols such as HTTP and HTTPS. A solid grasp of these fundamentals allows backend developers to build more efficient and secure applications. Understanding Git and GitHub is essential for backend developers to maintain code integrity and collaborate effectively with others. Testing is a crucial part of backend development. Developers use tools like Postman and Just to ensure that their code is working correctly and efficiently. Now let's talk about backend development framework. Backend development frameworks are software libraries that provide a structured and organized way to build the server-side components of a web application. They typically include features like routing, database integration, authentication, and more, allowing developers to focus on the core functionality of the application rather than reinventing the world. Here are some popular backend development frameworks. Express.js, a backend framework written in JavaScript. Django, a robust Python-based framework. Laravel, a PHP web application framework. Spring Boot, a backend framework written in Java. While selecting a backend framework, consider factors such as the programming language you are comfortable with, the complexity of your project, the size of the community, and the availability of resources and documentation. Using a backend development framework can provide numerous benefits, such as faster development time, improved code organization, enhanced security, and so forth. Continuously learning and stay updated with all the latest technological trends, as well as engaging with the developer community, are crucial for anyone who wants to be successful as a backend developer. That is a quick overview of backend development. Stay tuned for more videos on this topic, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.